Hey guys, this is Bonnie Boy, aka Shadow. Let's see here. Let's go to YouTube. Alright, so I'm on YouTube now. Let's see what to look at. I know the words to this, so.
People wishing for a better. The key ain't right wrong. You know that it's on the phone, it's nothing to beat it. How you want you when you beat it, got it for water. Key ain't right wrong. You know that it's on the phone. People wishing for a better. The key ain't right wrong. You know that it's on the phone, it's nothing to beat it. How you want you fucking the beat it, got it for water. Key ain't right wrong. You know that it's on the phone.
That's got that SpongeBob from his bedroom. I don't know why. So it looks this way. Watch.
SpongeBob SquarePants, SquarePants. You know where you want me. I be living where I want me. I'm at BG, cause I keep so I see BG, I ain't walking. Me, I'm really hard. BG, I wish I could just watch me some BG, I ain't keep walking. Me, I'm really hungry. I'm really hungry. BG, I ain't hungry, I'm really BG, I ain't hungry. Me, I'm really hungry. I'm really hungry.
Hey guys, sorry if I take long, but what the heck? Let's see what I have here. So, I did a cup challenge today, and, it was this one, best one yet.
So I think that's a good view. No, not really. There we go. Hey guys, it's Nightshade Fly here with, Bonnie Boy. Bonnie. And another hand, and you'll be Bonnie. So, Nightshade Fly and Bonnie Boy over here doing another water bottle challenge. I know this is like our fourth one, fourth, yeah. This is going to be our fourth water bottle challenge, but still, it should be fun. And this time, we're doing an actual challenge where whoever can make the best or the most wins. So, I'm up first. One. Okay, your turn. Basically, you keep going until you fail. My turn. 1-0. Nightshade 1, Bonnie 0. Bonnie. That's it. Shut up. We're on camera. Be professional. 1. So it's 1-1. 2-1. I have 2. Bonnie has 1. Bonnie. And that's second.
And then there's this one.
Hey guys!
There's one of
Did a triple flip bounce on it. No. Alright. Now I'm gonna try to do the kitchen one. Alright, if I get this, guys, video's over. I won the challenge. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah. Alright, whoever does it, man, whoever does this one wins the challenge, even though I've technically already won. I'm gonna go cry right now. Yeah, bye.
I pretty much.
I did it 3 times off camera. And every time I turn the camera on, I can't freaking do it. So, we're gonna have this camera on and try to do it again. Now I turn the camera. Hey. Oh, jeez, I'm still challenging it. It's not gonna change anytime soon?
Nope.
That sucks. That sucks my butt. You gonna try to walk by? No, not yet. Almost. Gotta do it before it rolls away. Ooh, gross. Alright, I'm gonna try to walk by now. So, what you guys don't know is to walk by. You walk, pick it up, and then flip it. Alright, I'm gonna try that again. I don't know if you guys can count that or not. So, I'm gonna try that again. Hopefully I can replicate it. No, you did it though. Yes, I did it. That's okay. Alright. Walk my head again. And like I said, I don't know if you guys would count that since it was so low, but we need more light here right now. Look at that. Let me try this. You got the red. Why did you just kick it? My turn. Now I'm going to try one of the harder versions. We have to try to do it up hard or something. Try. Yeah, that's awesome. Alright, now I'm going to try to flip it from here onto this table. Let's move all the glass items. Move that chestnut. Alright, let's try it. Don't want to hit this. Alright, actually, no, I'm going to try that again. You got stuck on something. Alright, you can do it how I was doing it, or just try to do it random since you haven't been able to do that. Sure, that's all it. Alright. Mine always get like this close, but I can't do it. Because I'm a risk. How do you guys like these vlogs? I don't know if you guys like them or not, but I like vlogs. What is that? God, it's crazy. This is better. Not really. Alright, let's see which one is better. Don't get me wrong, I like root beer, but brisk is better if you're thirsty because it's not all carbonated. Yeah, sure. Alright, okay, no. Okay. Alright, no, okay, cool. I'm like freaking bacon flavored baby. That was awesome.
I'm gonna pause this real quick. I have to eat. And bye. And not bye yet. But yeah, this is me, Naz, aka Bonnie Boy, aka Shadow Star.